Hello, I'm Dr. Tony Ellis with Cedar Hill Vet Clinic. I just want to talk to you today about the Ornell's products, and we'll look at the individual products that we've been using here in the practice. One thing that really interested me in the product when John and Jan came and visited with me about a year and a half ago about the product was that with this particular product, it takes the place of having to use a number of other products. So this particular product has not only a balanced vitamin mineral supplement in it, it also has ingredients which promote health of the skin coat and hair coat, as well as the hoof growth in horses. It also improves the immune system in the horse, and the circulatory system in the horse, and it has a digestive aid in it as well. In addition to those characteristics, it also has an anti-inflammatory package in it, which we've been found to be very helpful in combating a lot of the inflammatory conditions that we see in the horses. In many cases in the past, we've had to use a combination of different products and supplements to give to these horses to help combat all of those problems. And sometimes you find out that you're putting more supplements in the feed than you're actually putting feed in the feed. And that tends to increase the cost to the horse owner, and by having a combination product such as the Ornell's Naturals that combines those features that we're looking for, it makes it simpler and more cost effective. Okay, the first product we're going to look at here is Total Plus. We're utilizing this product on our performance horses. So our athletes that we're seeing in the practice, and we found this product to be very helpful in the many inflammatory conditions that we see. We see a lot of injuries to their tendons and ligaments. We also have a lot of horses who have arthritic conditions, and we've used the product even in laminitis, and we've had very good results with it. We're actually seeing very positive results on many of these horses, and it's helping to reduce the inflammatory process that we're seeing, to the point that possibly we can reduce the amount and frequency of the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs that we have to give to them. We've also seen that in some cases we can decrease the frequency in which we may have to be using systemic therapy, like Legend IV injections or Adequan IM injections. And in some cases, it may decrease the frequency at which we have to go into that joint and do a joint injection. So I feel like this product is giving us really good results with our sports horses. Okay. The next product we're going to look at is Total. We're using the Total product primarily in our younger horses. Our weanlings, yearlings, and 2-year-olds. We're also using this product in riding horses that aren't being ridden as hard as the performance horses, such as our pleasure horses, our trail riding horses, and we're getting good results on all of these horses with this product. And the young horses in particular, this product is very helpful and beneficial because we're dealing with a horse that's in a growing situation, and it's a critical time for the horse in the formation of the soft tissues, the ligaments, tendons. For instance, we've had some of these younger horses, weanlings and yearlings, with some contracture in those tendons, and I've seen very beneficial results with that. So we're finding that the Total has been a useful product in the practice as well on these younger horses, and again on some of the pleasure horses. The next product that we're going to look at is Americare. Breeding season is upon us here in Texas. Actually, it'll start next week here in Texas for us. And we have quite a few mares in our brood mare practice, and this is a product that we're implementing on these brood mares. A lot of these brood mares that we see are performance horses for many different disciplines. They may be an ex-racing horse or an ex-cutting horse or some of the other disciplines. And frequently a lot of these mares come to us with chronic inflammatory conditions, chronic arthritis, chronic tendon injuries, chronic laminitis. And we're finding that this product will be useful in helping combat the inflammatory conditions that we see in these older brood mares as well. In addition to that, with the ingredients in the vitamin and mineral supplement, we want to make sure that we're putting everything into that foal that mare is producing, and this product seems to be very useful in our brood mare practice as well. The final product we're going to talk about today is the silver. We're utilizing this product in our geriatric or senior horses. Many of these horses have chronic arthritis, chronic tendon injuries, chronic laminitis, and are just wear and tear from the number of years that they've been ridden. And the silver here is I found to be very useful for a lot of these senior horses too, who need some assistance with their inflammatory conditions. Also, the products and all promote well-being, and the horses seem to like the product. The vast majority of horses that we put on this product love it and eat it readily. So we found that each of the 4 products that we talked about here today have been useful for us, and we're excited about continuing these products in the future, and looking forward to see what positive results that we continue to get from them.